Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 and I want to show you how to add remove magnification to this device. Starts off opening settings application and it scroll and tap on accessibility, and there we must tap on our vision where we have our magnification. Right there, we must turn on it, choose option how we want to activate it. Maybe first one, tap accessibility button, and now we have accessibility button, and to activate it we tap on it and we activate our magnification. We can change position of that using two fingers and swiping with it on screen with our magnification. We can also zoom on or zoom out, or when you use one finger we can go up and down in our magnification and scroll in our screen. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all, thanks for watching, bye!